Imagine waking up tomorrow, checking your phone, and seeing notifications of money rolling in without leaving your bed. Sounds like a dream? Well, it doesn't have to be. What if I told you that in 2026, the average person who masters just a few online income streams could potentially double their earnings, sometimes without even adding more hours to their work week? By the end of this video, you'll have a roadmap to building multiple online income streams that actually work. And the best part? You can start right now, even if you don't have a ton of money or a giant following. Most people still rely on one source of income. They clock in, clock out, and pray their job is secure. But here's the hard truth. Job security is a myth. Companies fold, markets crash, and automation is eating up traditional roles faster than ever. Diversifying your income isn't just smart, it's survival. Think of it like planting seeds in multiple gardens. If one garden fails, the others still feed you. Online income streams give you this flexibility. Your digital gardens keep growing while you sleep. You don't need to be a tech genius or a millionaire investor to start building multiple online income streams. Start with your skills, your hobbies, or your knowledge. Are you good at writing, design, or creating videos? Can you teach people something you already know? The easiest online streams often start with what's closest to your expertise. For example, freelance writing or designing for small businesses can be a gold mine. You're trading knowledge for cash, and the barrier to entry is low. Once you start, you'll have income and experience, which unlocks even more streams. If you've ever recommended a product to a friend and earned a small commission, that's affiliate marketing. Now imagine doing it at scale. You can create a website, a YouTube channel, or a newsletter recommending products and services you trust. Every time someone buys through your link, you earn money. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that it works while you sleep. You put in the effort once, creating content, linking products, and it continues generating revenue. Some creators make $1,000 to $5,000 a month purely from affiliate links, and you don't need millions of followers to start. Services trade time for money, but digital products trade knowledge for revenue. Ebooks, online courses, templates, or even niche guides can be sold repeatedly without extra effort. Imagine creating a $29 guide once and selling it 500 times in a year. That's $14,500, and you didn't work 500 hours. Platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, and even Substack make it simple to host and sell digital products. The key is solving a problem that people actually care about, not just what you think is interesting. AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It's a tool you can leverage right now to scale your freelance income. Whether you're writing, designing, coding, or marketing, AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, or DALL-E can cut your work in half. Imagine offering a service that used to take 10 hours and delivering it in 3 while charging the same rate. That frees you to take on more clients or even start a second income stream simultaneously. The smartest freelancers in 2026 aren't just skilled, they're AI augmented. Recurring revenue is king. People love predictability, and so do businesses. You can create subscription models through membership sites, Patreon, or paid newsletters. For example, a newsletter that delivers exclusive tips or curated content each week can charge $5 to $10 a month per subscriber. With just 200 subscribers, that's $1,000 a month passively. Combine multiple small subscription streams, and suddenly your monthly income is diversified and predictable. The secret is providing ongoing value, not just a one-off product. Think dropshipping, print on demand, or Amazon FBA. E-commerce doesn't always mean storing boxes in your garage. You can sell physical products online without handling inventory, shipping, or returns yourself. Platforms like Shopify, Printful, and Amazon let you focus on marketing and branding while they handle the logistics. You get the sales, they do the heavy lifting. Some small online stores scale to 5K to 10K per month within a year if you pick a trending niche and target it strategically. Online income streams aren't limited to work-based methods. You can invest digitally to generate additional income. Real estate crowdfunding, dividend-paying stocks, or peer-to-peer lending platforms allow you to earn passive returns without managing properties or handling tenants. The advantage here is compounding. Your money works while you focus on your other streams. Diversification is critical. Your digital portfolio should include work-based income and investment income for true stability. Here's where most people miss out. Online income streams compound when they feed into each other. Your freelance work can attract an audience for your digital products. Your newsletter can promote your affiliate links. Your YouTube channel can sell courses. Each stream is a traffic source for the others. Think of it like a digital ecosystem. One part grows, the rest benefit. The more interconnected your streams are, the faster your income grows without doubling your workload. Once you've built a few streams, the next step is scaling and automating. Use tools like email sequences, scheduling software, and AI assistants to handle repetitive tasks. Outsource tasks that are time-consuming but not high value. For example, hire a virtual assistant to manage your email customer support, freeing you to focus on creating more income streams. Automation doesn't just save time, it allows you to multiply streams without burning out. That's the real freedom people talk about when they say make money online. Finally, none of these streams work if you don't stick with them. It's tempting to jump from one shiny idea to another, but consistent action is what compounds into real wealth. Start small, optimize as you go, and treat every stream like a mini business. Keep learning, testing, and iterating. Over time, these small, consistent efforts create a diversified income machine that can weather economic storms, life changes, or unexpected expenses. So here's the takeaway. The fastest way to financial freedom isn't to work harder at one job, it's to build multiple online income streams that reinforce each other. Use your skills, AI tools, digital products, subscription models, and smart investments to create a diversified online ecosystem that works while you sleep. Start small, stay consistent, and let compounding do the rest. If this roadmap inspired you, hit like and subscribe because next we're diving into how to launch your first digital product in under 24 hours and actually start making sales. Don't miss it.